Have you ever yawned after seeing someone else yawn? It's not just you. It's called contagious yawning. This fascinating phenomenon showcases our connections with others. So, what causes it? Firstly, it's mainly due to reflexes. When one person yawns, it triggers an automatic response in others. This is known as a fixed action pattern. Next, there's unconscious mimicry. Our brains are wired to imitate others, even when we don't realize it. Mirror neurons in our brain activate during these moments. They help us understand and connect emotionally with others. Did you know our furry friends can yawn contagiously too? Studies show dogs often yawn after their owners. This reinforces the bond between them. Interestingly, contagious yawning starts around age 4. That's when kids become aware of other people's feelings. In summary, contagious yawning involves reflexes, mimicry, and empathy. This small action connects us, even with animals. Next time you yawn, take a moment to notice those around you. Their response might surprise you.